Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Gaming for Beginners. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to change profile picture on Royal Match. If you want to change your profile picture in Royal Match so that you can personalize your game and stand out, here is how you can do it. First of all, launch open Royal Match application on your Android or iOS device and make sure that you're inside this homepage. Once you're in, tap on your profile icon, which is usually located at the top left corner of the home screen. And now click on the pencil button underneath your current photo. And then from the Avatars tab, select from the avatars provided in the game. Choose any avatar you'd like to use and then click on Save. Soon after you do that, you have successfully changed your avatar in Royal Match. If you want to upload a desired profile picture of your own, make sure your Facebook profile is linked with your game, and then you can easily upload your Facebook account's profile picture as well for the game. So that's how you can easily change your profile picture in Royal Match. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel. I will be back again in the next video. Thanks for watching.